Hello everyone. So my name is Saurabh and today we are going to discuss a Leetcode problem of SQL, that is this problem. That is problem number 181, employees earning more than their manager. So let me first read this problem. So here we have given one table, that is employee, and this is columns, that is ID, name, salary and manager, and here they have given the type of that column, like ID is int, name is varchar, similarly salary and manager ID is int. And now they are saying ID is the primary key for this column. That means ID is the primary key, so that it cannot have any duplicate value as well as it cannot have any null value. Each row of this table indicates the ID of an employee, their name, salary and the ID of their manager. This means this is the table, so each row, like this is the row, so each row indicates the ID of the employee, name, salary and their manager ID. Okay, so we need to write an SQL query to find the employees who earn more than their manager and return the result in any order thing. Okay, so what we need to do, this is the ID, so this is employee ID 1, his name is Joe, his salary is 70,000 and his manager ID is 3. So here is this ID 3, so we can say that 3 is Sam, so Joe's manager is Sam. Similarly, employee ID 2, his name is Henry, his salary is 80,000 and his manager is of ID 4, so ID 4 is Max, so Henry's manager is Max. So what we need as an output, we need employees who earn more than their manager. So the only answer is Joe, so we need to return this output as employee and his name is Joe. So here explanation is this: Joe is the only employee who earns more than their manager. Okay, so let me try to explain you in Excel first. So I am copying this whole table. So what we can do, let me paste it here. Okay, so let me make this column here also, this table here also. Okay, so if we, let me give this as employee table and let me give this as manager table. These are basically same table. So why we will use here the concept of self join? So why we are using self join? Because this manager ID is related to employee ID. Okay, so if we like self join this, like for manager ID 3, if we can inner join, so it will find out the uh, the ID of 3, so it will say okay 3, now here is 3, and so what it will return 3, then this 3, then here it will return me Sam, then 60,000. Okay, and then here is null. Okay, so we can easily say that okay, this ID is 3, name is Sam, salary is 60,000 and his null. So Sam does not have any manager. So that's why we are using here the concept of self join. Okay, so let us solve this problem. Okay, I have created the table, that is select star from employee, here in my PG admin. So this is the table: ID, name, salary and manager ID. So let me write this query of self join, select from employee, let me give as alias as E, inner join same this employee, but let me give as alias M. Okay, E for employee and M for manager. On which column I need to join? On E dot manager ID, E dot manager ID is equal to M dot ID, right? And I want to select some columns, like I want to select from employee table I want to select employee ID. It's so e dot id comma uh, okay, let me select e dot name as employee name. Okay, it will be employee name comma m dot name, so it will be a manager name as manager name comma e dot salary as employee salary and m dot salary as manager salary, right? So let me give it here, m dot salary as manager salary. Okay, so let me run this query first. So okay, so Joe, his manager is Sam, employee salary, that is Joe salary is 70,000 and manager salary is 60,000. Second, Henry's manager is Max and his salary is 80,000 and his manager's salary is 90,000. So I need to filter on this. Okay, so what I want the employee who earn more than manager. So I only want Joe because his salary is 70,000 and his manager salary is 60,000, that is less than Joe's salary. So I want only Joe here. So if I do filter uh, where e dot salary is greater than m dot salary, okay, and run this query, I got it Joe, but I don't want all these columns. Okay, see here in Leetcode problem, we want the output as employee and column name as employee and this as Joe only. Okay, so basically this is name. So we can do one thing, we can make this table, that is this table as a, we can use here city. So let me give with new table, let me give name as new table as this. Okay, and I want to select only this employee name column. So select employee name column, okay, from this table, that is new table, where employee salary is greater than manager salary, right? Manager salary. Okay, so when I run this, okay, so I have this Joe as the output only, but here this column name is an employee name, we want this column name as employee. So let me give Elias also as employee, right, as employee, and run this again. Okay, we got this employee and this. So let me copy this, Control C and paste it here. Let me see whether this is right or wrong. This is right, but let me see this. Okay, I have done this small mistake. Let me copy this query. Control C or Control C. Okay, and let me paste it here. Control V and let me run this code. Okay, so runtime error, what is this? You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the menu that corresponding to this with new table. So what I have done wrong? Okay. So I have copied this also. Sorry, my mistake. Now it's cool. Now it's cool. Okay. Yes, this gets accepted, but in Leetcode, what happened that sometimes the code get accepted, but when we submit it, it did not accept our answer. So let me submit it and check whether it accepted or not. So let me wait for a minute. Yes, it gets accepted. So this is the we have done this problem. Okay, so now this is all. So thank you for watching this video and please like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much.